Greetings, men and women of all ages. Today we shall be reviewing this new ship. It's the Nemesis Mk3. The Nemesis Mk3, uh, especially compared to all the other versions, is quite big. It's quite big because it has some cool new features. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. Anyway, so what are these new features, you ask? As you can see, it has lights in the barrel. That's pretty cool. It's got some gravity generators. That's pretty cool. It accelerates things really fast. If we get into the ship here, you can see it has jump drive, so it can get in and attack really fast and stuff. Then we have this big hydrogen tank, and the hydrogen tank is really cool because it powers the hydrogen. And in there we have another large cargo container so we can hold stuff. We have a med bay and some oxygen generators, and I hope there's the oxygen tank. And up here we have the timer blocks and the generators, and here's the seat, the command seat. Hold on a second. Oh, whoop. Anyway, I started to fire. So as you can see, it's not hitting the barrel because this one has actually magnetic capabilities. By magnetic, I mean it uses gravity, and this one is actually very prone to destroying itself. And keep in mind, this is the version that is least likely to destroy itself. Let's go. Let's review. So yeah, if you just point it towards a ship or something, and look at that. That's pretty cool. It's gone just like straight through the ship. This has an antenna, and it doesn't appear to be on this ship, but I remember putting a remote control on one of them. This is the newest version. This is the 13th version. I mean, still not great, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It looks pretty cool. I like this. Look at this window. It's pretty cool. You can see what you're doing, see all the destruction you've caused. But what you really want to do is you want to come back here, because this one is the seat and it has cameras up at the front. So they've got a camera here and a camera here. So those are with 1 and 2, and you can use those for zooming in on targets and such. So 1 and 2, and then it's 3 to initiate the firing sequence. Hopefully we don't blow ourselves up this time. And whoops. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we did it pretty well. So this will be in an upcoming video. Once I've created all these Nemesis videos and put them out, then I'll release them on the workshop. I think I'm gonna have another one of these ships. That one's pretty cool. And then we're gonna have how to defend yourself against these kinds of attacks, and then how to get around those kinds of attacks. And then this thing right here, yeah, it does the exact same thing as all the other ones. It's actually pretty cool. I call it the micro cannon because it's stupid tiny. So let's just Ding. You heard that ding. I heard it. You heard it. I don't know if you heard it. I actually have no idea. It appears the connector is turned off. Not what it's supposed to do. It works, but not what it's supposed to do. Alright, let's fire some. Oops. Well, I've just destroyed it with itself. So I guess we'll do this some more. See that thing right there? Yeah, see, look, now you don't. Look at it, it's gone. Look at this, it's so cool. It's got the blinking lights. Those don't work too well. I do not recommend this ship. Absolutely go buy it. I don't recommend it, but go buy it. I'm a businessman. What else am I going to say? My personal opinion, do not get this ship. It is horrible. It's a sack of crap. Honestly, would not do it. And yeah, so what if, for example, you're trying to move while firing the gun? I'll show you just what happens. The answer is you die. Well, I seem to have missed there. We managed actually not to damage the barrel that much. See, if we move forward, that's a whole nother issue. Especially when you start hitting the station with your ship. Look at that, don't you just love it when your ship destroys itself? Oh, there it goes. Yep, the Nemesis Mk3. Buy it today. Only 50 Flerbos.